Yamaha has officially unveiled the updated 2025 Yamaha XMAX, featuring a range of cosmetic enhancements and tech upgrades that refine its premium scooter offering. Priced at $5,775 in Malaysia, excluding road tax, insurance and registration. The new XMAX comes in a stylish gray color option that reflects its sporty yet refined design. While the core mechanical components remain unchanged from previous models, the 2025 XMAX brings notable visual and functional updates. Most apparent is the redesigned front end, which now features fully integrated front turn signals within the front cowl for a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. Additionally, the windshield has been revised, now lower and wider for improved wind protection, and can be adjusted electrically, offering better ergonomics for riders of different heights. Inside the cockpit, Yamaha has moved away from the previous multi-tier instrument layout. The new display features a unified panel, combining a right-side TFT LCD screen with a left-side traditional LCD panel. Bluetooth connectivity comes standard, allowing riders to link their smartphones via Yamaha's Y-Connect app for features such as call notifications, vehicle diagnostics, and last parking location. Functionality gets a further boost with the inclusion of modern convenience features like keyless ignition, a USB-C charging port, and Yamaha's emergency stop signal, ESS, which activates flashing brake lights during sudden braking to alert vehicles behind. The scooter also retains its generous 13-liter fuel tank, making it ideal for longer commutes or weekend rides. Braking is managed by hydraulic disc brakes on both wheels, supported by a standard dual-channel ABS system for added safety. Powering the 2025 XMAX is the same reliable 249 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine producing 22.5 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 24.3 Newton-meters of torque at 5,500 RPM, offering smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption for urban and highway use. The new Yamaha XMAX continues to blend practicality, performance, and modern features into one compelling package. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising down the highway, the 2025 model offers the right balance of comfort, control, and connectivity. What do you think about the new 2025 Yamaha XMAX 250? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.